Okay, we're at the second part of our video where we're now going to make the rectangles appear to be 3D. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from the vanishing point to the corner. We're going to go to every corner as long as we're not going through the actual shape. So I'm just going to do these sides, because if I tried to go to this corner, I would have to draw straight through my object, and I don't want to do that. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to go from each corner to the vanishing point. You always have your pencil on the vanishing point, and you go to each corner, and do this lightly because you're going to erase some of these lines afterwards. Straight to the vanishing point, and it goes straight to the vanishing point. So if you run into another square or rectangle, just pick up your pencil. Okay? Now I didn't go to this corner because if I go to that corner, I'm drawing through my rectangle. Now this guy here, he's above and below the horizon line, so it's going to be a little different. I'm going to go from this corner to the vanishing point. And I'm going to go from this corner to the vanishing point. I'm going to erase that horizon line. Right? But I'm not going to go from this corner because it would cut through my square. I'm not going to go from this corner because it would cut through. So that's all I'm going to draw there. Then I'm going to go from what's below the vanishing point. And you just go from the corners to the vanishing point. And it's going to start to make sense because if you're looking down at something, if you're looking down, you're going to see the top of what you're looking at. If you're looking up at something, you're going to see the bottom of it. So we see the top of the box when it's below the horizon line, and we see the bottom of the box when it's above. So now this is almost done. They look good, but we're not completely finished. We have to go to the next step. And the next step is to decide how long you want this to be. So I'm gonna hold my ruler now, straight side to side, and I'm gonna decide that this is how big I want this box to be. So I'm gonna draw a line. This line is straight side to side. This line is straight side to side. And I have to stop when I hit a line. So what do I do then? I switch my ruler. My ruler is going to go straight up and down because you're basically making like another box. Straight up and down. So here you have a right angle. Here you have a right angle. Here you have a right angle. So what I just did was I closed off that rectangle and I erase the lines that go to the vanishing point. Now I'm creating the illusion that you have a box floating in space. So how do we do it on this side? Well, same thing. Your lines are now going to be either straight up and down